Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena of OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to go ahead and try out this Pydana Collection from their new BIYO line. This is the Curl Reset Maximum Hydration Hair Mask. It states it's for dry, lackluster hair. There's no sulfate silicones, no mineral oil, lactates, parabens, petroleum, artificial colors, or no animal testing, and it's for all hair types. Now,
talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
Okay. I know you can't wait to see me try this product, but before we get into this, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment later on, okay? Thanks in advance.
if you saw my unboxing, I just got this, and I was a little confused at first. I was like, in the directions, it says, apply liberally to wet hair from root to tip, let sit for 10 to 20 minutes, rinse thoroughly, follow with deep conditioner. So, I was like, wait a minute, mask, hair mask? And let me know down in the comments, do you use hair masks like deep conditioners? Do you just use things titled deep conditioners? Or does it even matter to you? For me, it never really mattered. I use them both as a deep conditioner, But with the ingredients in this has water, kaolin, olive oil, aloe vera, rice bran oil. It has sunflower seed oil. There's apple cider vinegar. Okay, so you get my point here. It has kaolin in it, clay. It has apple cider vinegar. Think of clay washes. Think of how you use apple cider vinegar with clay washes. Think of how sometimes you use a clay wash and you go in afterwards with apple cider vinegar. So, also, there's plenty of oils in here, wonderful ingredients. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with this. For me, with the directions, it's like an extra step. So that's how I'm going to use it. For this particular wash day, I'm going to use it as an extra step because I will be going in with the Pydana Collection BIYO Deep Conditioner after this. So I'm going to go ahead and wash. And because my hair is extremely dirty, my scalp is extremely dirty. I suffer from dandruff, so I got a lot to get up off my scalp, and I need a detox. I am going to use this hair mask as a detox. So I'll be back to you once I have my hair washed. Okay, so hair is washed. Here we go. So this is pretty much like a white color. Clearly, this is a clay. To me, that's what I'm getting. I bet if I let that little bit dry, that will dry just like a clay. So here we go. I love that consistency. It reminds me of a clay mask or clay wash consistency. So, yeah. Nice and creamy and smooth. See what I mean? It almost makes me want to put this on my face, y'all. As a facial mask. Yeah. Let's go ahead and apply this to my hair and see what happens. Okay, wait, what's the directions? Apply liberally to wet hair from root to tip. Let sit for 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Follow with deep conditioner. Okay. This says it lasts for 18 months. Nice amount of time. And it's stored at room temperature. Very important, room temperature. If you don't know why I'm really talking about this room temperature thing so much, make sure you check my previous videos where I talk about what not to do when storing your hair products. This smells good. But it's a nice, clean, refreshing scent. It's not fruity, it's not citrusy, nothing like that. Nice, clean, refreshing scent. Okay. So, applies to my hair just like a clay mask would. Okay. And it is easy to smooth to my ends. BIYO Pydana Collection Curl Reset Maximum Hydration Hair Mask is a mineral-rich treatment formulated to gently exfoliate and soothe the scalp, remove toxins, tough buildup to reveal incredibly softer, stronger, more resilient hair. Now, it does say it's formulated to gently exfoliate and soothe the scalp, but it doesn't say in the directions itself to apply directly to scalp. But since it does say, you know, it can gently exfoliate and soothe the scalp, I don't see any problems with applying it to your scalp. Okay, so 10 minutes are up, and now let's take a look at this hair. Okay, so my hair is soft. Just so you know, even though it says that it will gently exfoliate, there's not any hard granules or anything in this at all. It's actually smooth. So, just in case anyone was wondering. Okay, so that's how it looks. This is normal for my hair when I use a clay wash or clay mask or just anything with clay in it. This is what my hair looks like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and wash it out, and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like once it's washed out. Okay, all done. My hair is soft, clean. I didn't have to go in and wash it multiple times. So that's something good to know, especially with clay. And ready for me to go on my deep conditioner. So let me know, have you used this? Again, this is the BIYO Curl Reset Maximum Hydration Hair Mask, which is for dry, lackluster hair. Clearly my hair is not dry, well, to me. And it's not lackluster. It has a shine. Okay, so let me know, have you tried it? I'm going to go ahead and go in with the deep conditioner. So depending on when you watch this video, you may see the video of me using the BIYO deep conditioner, or you may see it with this hair mask. Other than that, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, like this video, share this with someone, and I'll talk to you later, Roses.